5a minus 1 is equal to 0 and a not equal to 0, find a minus 1 by a plus 1 by a square minus 1 by a square. So same as question number 12. 12 we have done dividing throughout by a now. So same as question number 12, what we have to do? Question is a square minus 5a minus 1 is equal to 0. So that question we have that. So that we have to divide throughout by a. So that means a square, we want to give that a to a square minus 5a also to 1. 0 by a is what? 0 itself. So next step, a we can cancel, a minus a we can cancel, 5 minus 1 by a is equal to 0. We need a minus 1 by a and 1 by a together. A minus 1 by a minus 5 is equal to 0. That means a minus 1 by a is equal to 5. That is the first part. Okay. Anyone is writing? Please raise your hands. Want to wait or not? A minus 1 by a. Up to that got. Any doubt in this? The next is what? We have to find out. Which one?
A plus 1 by A.
A plus 1 by A.
How can we find a plus 1 by a? A plus 1 by a. If you want to find a plus 1 by a, we have to square it only. No, only way is
Yes.
a plus 1 by a whole square. So just write a plus 1 by a whole square. What is our formula? A plus b whole square form. Same. A square plus 2 into a into 1 by a. 2ab plus b square. No. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a plus 1 by a, the whole square is equal to a square. A we can cancel. Plus 2 plus 1 by a square. So we don't have a square plus 1 by a square. A plus 1 by a we don't have. Both we don't have. So what is our next step? A plus 1 by a the whole square. If we take the root of this means we will get a plus 1 by a. But we don't have a square plus 1 by a square. For getting a square plus 1 by a square, what we have to do? We have only
A minus 1 by a whole square.
very good. A minus first part we got 1 by a minus 1 by a we got it as what?
5.
5. 5. So squaring both sides, what we will get?
A
Squaring
minus 1 by a square is equal to 5 square.
1 by a the whole square is equal to 5 square. That is a minus b whole square form. A square minus 2ab, 2a into 1 by a plus 1 by a square is equal to 25. A we can cancel. So a square minus 2 plus 1 by a square is equal to 25. So a square plus 1 by a square, this 2 will go to right side. So it will become positive 2, 25 plus 2. So a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 27. That 27 we can substitute here. So we can write a plus 1 by a. The whole square is equal to 27 plus 2. That is 29. Up to this correct now?
Yes, ma'am.
So a plus 1 by a is equal to what? Square root of 29. What will be the square root of 29? You can write like that way itself. No, we can't write anything. Plus or minus root 29 itself. So a plus 1 by a is plus or minus what? Plus or minus root 29. Now we got first part a minus 1 by a, we got it as 5. We have to find out a square minus 1 by a square. Up to this completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anyone is writing this? Want to wait or not?
No need, ma'am.
No,
ma'am, completed.
Completed. Then next is what? Third part is a square minus 1 by a square. That is a square minus b square form is what? A plus b into
A minus B.
a minus b. Same way, a square minus 1 by a square is a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. We have a plus 1 by a. A plus 1 by a, now we got it as right. Take only positive root 29 into a minus 1 by a is 5. So final answer is what? 5 root 29. That we can write it as 5 root 29. So both values we can take. So we can write final answer as plus or minus 5 root 29. So plus or minus is equal to plus or minus 5 root 29 is the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, I'm going to Vadakkഞ്ചേരി. So can I leave the meeting?
Oh. So watch the recorded video, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Is it urgent?
Ma'am, to see the doctor.
Okay. Okay. So next, okay, you can leave. Next exercise. 4B, question number 9. 4B, question number 9. So next question onwards, you will say, no? You got an idea to do how to do squares and cubes. So this question onwards you will do. If a not equal to 0 and a minus 1 by a is equal to 3, we have to find out a square plus 1 by a square, and the second one is a cube minus 1 by a cube. A cube minus 1 by a cube. We can do together. Or
Yes.
after explanation
We
only.
can do
Together
we can do together.
Okay. So
Together.
what we have, a minus 1 by a is equal to 3. We have got to find out a square plus 1 by a square. Same as exercise 4a. A minus 1 by a we have 3. We have to find out a square plus 1 by a square is the first part. What we have to do? Square, square. If you want to get square, what we need to do?
Squaring both.
Squaring.
Both sides.
Get cube means we have to cube. If you want to get square means we have to square both sides. Squaring both sides. Right now. Both sides. A minus 1 by a, the whole square is equal to 3 square. A minus b whole square form. A square minus 2ab. So 2a into 1 by a plus b square means 1 by a the whole square, that we can write it as 1 by a square. 1 square is 1 itself. So directly instead of writing 1 by a the whole square, avoid one step and write, you can write it as 1 square by a square, that is 1 by a square. No need of lengthy steps. Is equal to 3 square 9. A we can cancel. A square minus 2 plus 1 by a square is equal to 9. Then a square plus 1 by a square together. Directly you can write now this 2 to the right side. So it will become plus 2. So what will be the answer?
11.
1 by a square is equal to 11.
11.
So completed. First part completed. A square, therefore a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 11. That is our first part. Then second one, a cube minus 1 by a cube. We have to find out. A cube minus 1 by a cube. Cubing.
Cubing both sides.
Cubing both sides.
A minus 1 by a, the cube is equal to 3. So if you need, you write a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here minus. Think of that. Minus b cube. So this will be a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube means 1 by a cube. 27, isn't it? Here a and 1a cancel. A cube minus 3a plus a and a. So it will be 3 by a, 1 by a cube is equal to 27. I think you can do this. Next step, tell me, then only I will write.
Ma'am, rearrange.
Okay. A cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3a plus 3 by a is equal to 27. We need only a cube minus 1 by a cube. So it is equal to 27 also there. So we have to adjust this. Which one we have to take common? Negative 3 we want to take or positive 3 we want to take. Depending upon what we have. What we have, think of that. A minus 1 by a or a plus 1 by a. What we have.
Negative.
We have
A minus 1 by.
a minus 1 by a we have, isn't it? Then only we can substitute the value of a minus 1 by a in next step. So depending upon this a minus 1 by a, what we have to take common here? That means we have to get the 3.
3. Oh.
We want to get negative 3a answer. We have only a with us.
3.
Negative 3.
3.
3.
3.
Is it 3? Then only we will, if you write 3, we will get positive 3a only. We need negative 3.
Negative. Negative 3.
Negative 3.
So negative 3 we have to. Then automatically it will be negative positive 3 by a. So a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 into a minus 1 by a value.
A minus 1 by A. 3.
3. 3. Okay, 3 is equal to 27. So a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 into 3, 9 is equal to 27. Take that 9 to the right side.
A cube minus 1 by A cube is equal to 27 plus 9.
27 plus 9. A cube minus 1 by a cube is equal to
36.
36. 36. A cube minus 1 by a cube we have to find out. The next is question number 10. A square plus 1 by a square we have to find out. A raised to 4 plus 1 by a raised to 4. Then a cube minus 1 by a cube. We have a minus 1 by a is equal to 4. Completed this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Last part, is it clear? Board is clear or reflection is there? Is it clear?
No, ma'am. It's clear.
Board is clear. Here.
Clear, okay. Can I run? The next
Yes, ma'am.
question number
10.
10. If a not equal to 0, a minus 1 by a is equal to 4, find a minus 1 by a is equal to 4, find a square plus 1 by a square, then a raised to 4 plus 1 by a raised to 4, then third one, a cube minus 1 by a cube. So how can we start?
Squaring both sides.
Squaring both sides. Okay, squaring both sides. Okay, do it. A minus 1 by a is equal to 4 square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. I think it is clear, that's why I am not explaining.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
This time it's clear.
Yes, ma'am. It's clear, ma'am. This
Okay.
is.
So I think you got 18.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I had the second step. You.
Okay, we do that second one. A raised to 4. A raised to 4 we need. So how we will get A raised to 4? We didn't study A minus 1 by A whole raised to 4. We hadn't studied, no? A minus 1 by A or A plus 1 by A whole raised to 4. Formula we studied? No.
No.
But we have something. Now we got something. Using that we can do something. Think. We want to get A raised to 4.
1 by A square into
A raised to 4. Which are the ways of getting A raised to 4?
Raised to 4.
4 we want to get. One way is 1 into 4. That is A plus 1 by A the whole raised to 4. Or another way.
2 into 2.
2 into 2. That means, very good. 2 into 2. That means 2 is there. So what we have to do? Thus we can.
Yes.
If we have done here what? Squaring both sides. Which one? A minus 1 by A. We have done. Squaring both sides. Same way, if we square this both sides.
We will get
both sides.
we
We will get a which one? A raised to
4. A raised to 4.
A raised to 4. Thus you have to square. So one thing you do. This is what first one, no? First question, isn't it? No, let it be equation number 1. That is better. Otherwise, it will make you confusion. So squaring both sides of equation 1. We will get what? Squaring both sides of equation 1. That is better. Otherwise, while studying, you will think about this one. Why we are doing this? Squaring both sides means you will think about this. A minus 1 by A the whole square. Why we are doing again and again? So, squaring both sides of equation 1. This is our equation 1. So, square that. So, next step what we can write?
A square plus 1 by A square whole square is equal to 18 square.
18 squares. Okay. Then same here. This is in the form of what? A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square.
Yes.
Here A stands for, here we need what? A square plus 1 by A square the whole square. That means here A stands for A square and B stands for 1 by A square.
1 by A square stands
1 by A square. So think and write. Okay, listen properly. Do slowly. Don't make mistake. After writing only I will write. A square will be A square the whole square. A square plus 2AB means 2A square into 1 by A square. 2A square. That means 2AB. A square into 1 by A square. 2AB plus B square.
1 by A square.
A square the whole square. Any doubt in this step? Anyone have any doubt? Please raise your hands. Anyone have any doubt?
Ma'am, why are we not doing this with A plus 1 by A?
A plus, okay. A plus 1 by A. What do you have to do? A plus 1 by A is equal to what is our question? A plus 1 by A we have?
No.
Do we
What,
have
ma'am?
you do, why you ask me about why we are not doing with the A plus 1 by A, no? Where is 1 by A plus 1 by A? Is there anything in our question A plus 1 by A in question number 10? A plus 1 by A we have?
No.
Then why? We don't have anything. We are not studying properly. We want mark. Is it possible? No.
No.
I don't want to study, but I want 100 out of 100. Is it possible? Same
No,
way.
ma'am.
A plus 1 by A
No.
we don't have. A plus 1 by A we don't have. So how can we write with A plus 1 by A? If we have some value 2 means then only we can square now. If sometimes if A plus 1 by A whole square is equal to 2 means we can do with that. And again we can square. Can we do raised to 4? Is there any formula here? A plus 1 by A whole raised to 4 we studied. No. Only square and a cube only we studied. No, 2 formula. A plus 1 by A we don't have. That's why we are not writing. In our question or in our wherever we see, question number 10. Look at that. No. Nothing is there. A plus 1 by A. So 18 square. 18 square.
324.
324. 324. Can I rub this working column?
Yes, ma'am.
So a square the whole square will be what? A square 2 square the whole square.
A raised to 4. A raised to 4.
2 into 2 a raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. No. Same.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
4. A raised to 4. Then simplify this. 2 into
A square
into 1 by a square. I wrote brackets to avoid confusion. That's why. In bracket means into. No, already I discussed that all.
A square and A square cancel. 2.
2
only.
only. So middle term will be 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next is what? 1
2
by
plus 1
a square the whole square. That
1
is
by 1 by A raised to 4.
whole square.
1 by A raised to 4.
1 by a raised to 4. So this term we can write it as 1 by a raised to 4 is equal to 324. What we have to find out?
A raised to 4
A
plus
raised to 4 plus A raised to 4. A raised to 4 plus A raised to 4 is equal to 324 minus 2.
Rearrange. One more step if you need means you can write a raised to 4 plus 1 by a raised to 4 is equal to
A raised to 4 plus 1 by A raised to 4 is equal to 324 minus 2.
322.
322. Okay. These all questions you can do using the formula. One formula we studied, but I am not. So many formula, 10 or 11 formula we studied. No.
Yes, ma'am.
That formula we can do that. We can do that. But that's why I am following this method. Okay. All questions in one method means it will be easy. That's why. Some formula cube, another formula you have to study. Square, another formula you have to study. So it will be difficult. That's why. Okay. Anyone is following another method? You are going for tuition or some other.
No,
Your
ma'am.
parents are teaching you. Parents are teaching you.
No, ma'am.
Following another method means it's not problem for me, but you should study that way. What I am doing is, if I one thing we are doing means squaring, cubing both sides. Squaring cube both sides means it will be easy. That's why I am following the same pattern. Okay. So a raised to 4 plus 1 by a raised to 4 is equal to 322. Next, mute it. A cube minus 1 by a cube. Third one is a cube minus 1 by a cube. We need a cube minus 1 by a cube.
A minus whole cube. Okay, that's
Mute it. Some disturbance there.
A minus 1 by whole cube.
A minus 1 by a we have, no? What is a minus 1 by a?
A minus 1 by A.
4. 4.
No idea. It is there in the question. Nida, no?
Yes, ma'am.
A minus 1 by a. No idea. No? Simply sitting in the class. A minus
What,
1 by a. Oh. Who said that?
Ma'am, I told A minus 1 by is equal to 4 only.
Then who said a minus 1 by a?
No, ma'am, I said 4.
A minus 1 by A. What is the? It is given in the question as 4. So, what will be? How can we find out A cube minus 1 by A cube?
Cubing both sides.
Cubing both sides. Very good. Cubing both sides. Cubing both sides. So, A minus 1 by A the whole cube is equal to 4 cube. This is in the form of A minus B the whole cube. That is A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square. A minus B, no. Here I wrote a plus. Why you didn't say? It is minus only, no. Minus 1 by A cube is equal to 4 cube. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4. 64, no. 64, no.
64. Yeah, that's easy.
A cube minus 3A square into 1 by A plus 3A into 1 by A square minus 1 by A cube is equal to 64. So we can cancel A cube. A we can cancel, no. A cancel, minus 3A balance plus here also 1A we can cancel, denominator 1A minus 1 by A cube is equal to 64. Rearranging A cube minus 1 by A cube minus 3A plus 3 by A is equal to 64. Next what we have to do? No one is here.
Yes, ma'am, I am here.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I am also here.
Then tell me. Tell me.
3
Cube minus 1 by
A cube minus 1 by A cube minus 3 A minus 1 by A whole
A minus 1 by A only we have. So just with that. Minus
minus
3.
3.
minus
Minus 3. Then.
A minus by A cube minus 3
What is that?
3
into 4.
Into 4. A cube minus 1 by A cube minus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 64. So A cube minus 1 by A cube is equal to 64 plus 12. Traveling? Please tell.
76.
Unnati for
Anna, please, sir.
Sir,
Traveling.
Ma'am, 76. 76.
76. Some disturbance, Anna, please, sir. Some disturbance there. A cube minus 1. Some disturbance going on there, no? Wind, you are traveling? No, ma'am. A cube minus 1 by A cube is equal to 76.
Maybe the
Wind, sound of wind, I think. A cube minus 1 by A cube is equal to 76. Okay. Then, can you do question number 11 as homework? Otherwise, after that I will discuss. Not getting means I will discuss tomorrow. Same as question number 10. Question number 10. Same model question. Instead of minus, it is plus only. Just try it. Question
Okay.
number 11.
Okay,
If not,
ma'am.
we can discuss tomorrow. Okay, just try it.
Okay,
Write in your
ma'am.
note itself. Note itself. And if you are stuck somewhere, means let it be there. Then do the next one. Okay. If you are not getting, means just up to that you can do, no. Then you will get an idea where you are not getting. So try to do that 11 as homework. If you have no confidence, means you write in your rough book. That is okay. Then 12th one. If 2x minus 3y is equal to 10 and xy is equal to 16, find the value of 8x cube minus 27y cube. Very easy question. Question homework, then 12 plus. If 2x minus 3y is equal to 10 and xy is equal to 16, we have to find the value of 8x cube minus 27y cube. We have to find out. So, what we have to do with the what? That all things you have to say. Compare
2x
2
how can we
minus
2x minus 3y whole cube.
2x
minus 3y? What you are saying is correct. Tell me.
And we want to cube that.
Cubing
Cube
both sides. Then only we will get it.
Cubing both
Think of this. Cubing both sides. Isn't it? So 2 cube is what? 8. X cube is
3
x cube.
X
We will
cube
get.
is
Similarly, what? 3 cube.
cube is
27.
27. Y cube is
Y cube. So if we do something with this, no, then we will get the answer. So we can do this. Cubing. Answer right now. 2x minus 3y is equal to 10 we have. So cubing both sides. 2x minus 3y the whole cube is equal to 10 cube. This is in the form of a minus b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here a stands for 2x and b stands for 3y. A 2x, b 3y. Completed that step. A, B. I will check whether your answer is correct or wrong. What you wrote? A cube, 2x cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. That means 3y the whole cube is equal to 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10. 3 zeros. 3 zeros and 1. So it will be 1000. Then simplify. 2 cube means 2. If you don't know, please do in the working column. 2x the whole cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8x cube. So directly we can write 8x cube here. Then take this. 2x the whole square means what? 2 square, 4x square. 4x square. Then 1 3 is there. 3 into 4x square into 1 3y also there in this term.
So 12 into 3. 36 x square y.
X square y. Any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this solving? Clear no? So minus 36 x square y. Then same way do in the working column this one. 3 into 2x into 3y the whole square means 3 square y
9
square 9
y square.
Square is for y also, no? So y square.
Yes, ma'am.
3 into 6. 6 into 9.
6 9 54 xy square.
54 xy square. Then again minus 3 cube. 3 into 3, 9. 9 3s are 27 y cube is equal to 1000. Any doubt in this step, please raise your hands. Anyone have any doubt in this step? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then,
Yes, ma'am.
Rearrange.
rearranging. We need 8x cube minus 27 y cube. So we take it together. Then 8x cube minus 27 y. Can I run this? It's better. 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 36x square y plus 54xy square is equal to 1000. Right? How we can do this? Something we will do, we don't want to do anything with this 1000 or 8x cube minus 27y cube. Then remaining that two terms we have to do something. It's your chance. What can you do? Which one we have to take common, or what we have to do first before taking common? What we have? Starting question, what we have? Something is there in our question.
And we have x equal to 16.
We have
xy.
only xy. Xy, if we take xy means what will happen to the remaining term?
54 into 16 square.
What we started from there we can substitute. Usually we are doing that, no? Where we started, which one we
2x
cube?
minus 3y. 2x minus 3y is equal to 10.
3y we have. So
Yes.
if we write the 2x minus 3y and if we adjust something, you will get. Just try it. Usually we are doing that, no? What we have, we will write there and we will adjust with the remaining terms. We will write. Try it. We can take 2 common, x common, y common, but what we have to take, which number we have to take? 2 also we can take, 36 and 54, possible, no? 36 and 54, 2 we can take common. Then again, 6 also we can take common. So, it will make you confusion. Which one we want to take, it will make you confusion. You want to write so many steps. So, better way is, instead of taking common, first you write which one?
2x minus 3.
2x minus, we have that, no? So 2x minus 3y we have. So 2x minus 3y we have. Depending upon this, adjust here. We need what? Negative 36x square y we need. We have only 2x. So 2x only we have. How can we find the middle term? 2 into dash is equal to 36. 36 divided by 2. No. 36 divided by 18.
18.
Negative sign is
18.
negative.
18xy.
So
Negative
negative
18xy.
Negative
xy.
18x.
Negative xy.
1x we have, so we have to write one more x. Then only we will get x square. No y there, so y. So negative 18xy, if you write here, automatically this will be correct. Check it. Negative 18xy into negative 3y. If we change the bracket, negative 3y, what will be that? Negative into negative, positive 54xy square, no? If you write this properly, first term properly means automatically that second term will be correct. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Otherwise, we don't know which one we have to take, 36 or 8. We don't know. 18 we want to take. We will not think about that. No. We will not think. Only we will take 2 first. We will take 2. Again we will take 2. We will take 2 only common. We are familiar with this 2. We are very interested in taking 2 common. So better, we don't think what 18 want to take, we won't think that. So better to write. And many doubt. So adjust with this 2x minus 3y. Or if you can do directly 18xy as common means no problem. You can take. So if you don't know others, I'm saying about others, if 2x minus 3y, then adjust it and write. Then 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 18xy.
18 into 16.
16
Into
then
10.
2x minus 3y is 10 is equal to 1000. So 8x cube minus 27y cube minus, multiply this. Eighteen into 16.
Two 288.
28.
Ala.
Ah,
2880.
288.
2880.
Into 10 also.
2880. 2880.
We need 8x cube minus 27y cube. So what we have to do? 1000. This 10. Take this to the right side. 2880. So 8x cube minus 27y cube is equal to 3880. That is your answer. Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Which
ma'am,
one?
8x whole square minus 8x cube minus 27, 18 into 16 into 10. How we get?
18 is the xy. Look at the question. Xy, value of xy. 18 xy means what? 18 into xy. No. 18 xy means 18 into xy. 18 into xy value we have in the question. Xy is 16.
Oh, that.
Then 2x minus 3y also there in the question. 2x minus y, 3y. It is there in the question. So we substitute that value 16 and 10.
Right. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.